Box plots day 3, comparing box plots. The box plots represent the cost to lease cars in 2 different cities. Use the box plots to answer the following questions. So we're going to be deciding if each of these statements are true and false. So we have city A, which is on top, that's the blue one. And we have city B, which is on bottom, and that is the green one. And we're going to be comparing these. Now, just to be clear, that leasing a car could mean that just means like to rent the car, and these values are kind of small, so I'm guessing this is probably like a monthly fee to rent the car. All right, the interquartile range of city B is greater than city A. So remember, to find the interquartile range, we need the lower and upper quartiles. So for city A, the lower quartile is 450, and the upper quartile, which is the end of the box, is at 550. For city B, the lower quartile is at the start of the box, which is 425, and the upper quartile, the end of the box, is at 475. Now, if you're wondering how I got those middle values, you can take the 2 values that are on the number line, add them together, and divide by 2 to get those middle values. So now let's find the interquartile range. That is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. So for city A, that is 550 minus 450, which is 100. And for city B, that's 475 minus 425, which is 50. Now let's go ahead and compare. It says that city B is greater than city A. So is 50 greater than 100? No, so that's false. Question 2. The spread of city A is less than city B. Spread. That means range. So we're going to find the upper extreme minus the lower extreme, or we can say that's the maximum value minus the minimum value. But for city A, our maximum value is 600, and our minimum value is 425. So when I subtract those, that's 175. For city B, the maximum value is 625, and the minimum value is 400. So when I subtract those, that's 225. Now let's go ahead and compare. City A is less than city B. That means smaller. So is city A smaller than city B? Yes, that's true. Question 3. The median for city A is greater than the median for city B. Remember, median is the line in the box. So if I go to city A, the line in the box lines up with 475. For city B, the line in the box lines up with 450. Now let's compare. Is city A greater than city B? Is 475 bigger than 450? Yes, so that's true. Both cities' minimum value is below $425. Okay, so we're going to look for the smallest number on the box plot, which is where it starts. So for city A, it starts at 425. For city B, we start at 400. Now we have to be careful. It says it has to be below 425. Well, city B is below 425, but city A is equivalent to 425. So in order for this statement to be true, it would have needed to say both cities' minimum value is less than or equal to 425. So this is going to have to be false. And that is the end of day 3 of box plot.